making Simonkenttä in company Sikesfors, Finland. This one was built in 2000, turning 20 years old this year in 2020. Capacity is 10 persons of 800 grams, and the serial number is H70445. And you know the code here,
Yeah.
because I hadn't filmed it yet. There are 3 floors. Still the older Kone logo.
Yeah.
So that's why I believe it's from early 2000.
Yeah.
Take another ride.
Yeah.
I like this one.
Same here.
It's going to be inspected in next year, 2021. Then I can press.
Yeah.
It should have a doors button, it doesn't have it.
Yeah.
It's a bit simple. Let me have a look at the code button. I don't think there are any other Sigmas here.
Yeah, I think not.
Probably the only one.
Yeah.
And it is like a part of the Kone shopping center.
Yeah.
It became it when it was built.
Yeah.
About 4 years later, 4 to 6 years later.
Yeah. Yes.
But it was actually built at the same time. I think this must be the last elevator of the Scandic Hotel Simonkenttä.
Yeah.
Because the Scandic Hotel Simonkenttä received their elevators in late 1999. And
Yeah.
it opened in June 2000.
Yeah.
So thank you very much.
That's